Okay, I'm back. I've updated the games, and I've just checked after pulling them into the Matchup Simulator, and they are in order. Here's the example that we saw, and the play team is correct. So, first thing I want to do is, for every thing in the test game, I'm going to want to delete plays that were not done by the other team. So in this example, the away team is Boston, and I'm going to want to delete plays done by Cleveland for this example, but when Boston plays, let's say any other team, we want to delete those as well. So let's wrap this in a function. Let's call this Markov chain cleansing. It's a function that will take games list, insert, and so the reason why I'm putting in a function is eventually down here I will say I'll apply away team game list and then the function Markov chain cleansing. Won't do that now, apologies. But it's just for when I do need to do it. So the first thing is, actually the other thing I'm going to insert here is the team. So in this case, the team will be BOS or LAC. So let's say, apologies, again, it's not going to be games list, it's going to be games df, because the lapply will do it to each item. So I'm going to say which df, and of course now my thing's online, so we're going to redo that. So which games df play team, so team equals BOS. Oh great, here are a bunch of rows that don't equal it. Perfect. So let's say it does equal it. All those rows, let's keep all the columns. Okay, so all of the plays are now the ones in which Boston did something. So now, what we're going to want to do is decide which items we want to come into the Markov chain. So I don't think we need the date. I don't think we need the away team. I don't think we need the home team. I don't even think we need the play team. So go to Excel and try to do my thinking out loud. So this is the way that I visualize the Markov matrix looking. So let's say shot to rebound, or let's just say all of these. So So here's an example what I'm thinking. So Boston takes a shot 10% of the time. There's an offensive rebound. 0% of the time there's a turnover, because turnover just means that they score and the other team gets the ball, which doesn't really make sense. Personal foul, no, because they're shooting. It's a shooting foul, 10%. And then if they retain possession, it's at 20%. If they don't, it's at 80%. That really means that the shot went in. I guess we would have that was right. And then in this case we'd have personal foul, offensive rebound maybe 10%. But really what the next one would be that would make sense would be something like free throw 1 of. Actually, this should be 100% after a shooting foul. But then what we'd be saying here is, okay, taking a free throw 1 of, so you're not going to take another free throw 1 of after that. But if you're taking one free throw, there's a 75% chance, 95% chance that there's a second free throw, unless it's an and one. It's probably like 80%. I don't know what the percentages are. But then free throw 2 might lead to an offensive rebound 10% of the time. Or it may lead to a personal foul. Or it may lead to a turnover. I don't think it'll lead to a turnover because it won't be a stolen ball. So what I want is I want to take every single play type, find the play type after it. Oh, here's the logic is. Look at play type. If possession retained look at play type and add to the if the possession is retained, then make a, let's just call it a Markov chain link. If possession, possession. It's not how I spell possession. Okay, so basically what I would do is, let's talk this out. So they took a shot. Possession was retained. Nope, way down there. They took a shot. Possession was not retained, which means that the shot went in. There was a points outcome. Or that the shot bounced so radically out that, or they got an air ball that it did not retain.